Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will solve a math-Olympiad problem. A square minus b square equals 49. You have to find the value of a and b. We will do a number of steps to find the values of these unknowns. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We will start the solution of this question. A square minus b square equals 49. As we know that a square minus b square is the formula which is equals to a plus b times a minus b equals 49. Here we have to write that a plus b is greater than equal to a minus b. To do so, we will factor this 49. We can write as 1 into 49. 49 into 1 is 49. 7 into 7 is 49. For the first case, 1 into 49, that is a plus b is 1. 1 is less than 49. So we will not consider this case. Here in the second case, a plus b is 49 and a minus b is 1. That is 49 is greater than 1. So we will consider this case. In the third case, 7 times 7 is 49. That is a plus b is 7 and a minus b is 7. So 7 equals 7. Here this is equal. So 7 equals 7. We will also consider this case. Now we will first take this one, a plus b times a minus b equals 49 times 1. From here we can write a plus b equals 49 and a minus b equals 1. Now we will add these two equations. A plus a is 2a, plus b minus b is 0, and 49 plus 1 is 50. Now we will divide 2 on both sides. We get a equals 2 into 1, 25. 25. We get the value of a 25. We will put this value of 25 in given equation to find the value of b. A plus b equals 49. 25 plus b equals 49 means b equals 49 minus 25. That is b equal 24. So for the first case we get a b value equals a equals 25 and b equals 24 for this first case. Now we will consider this case. Now we will consider the second case, a plus b times a minus b equals 7 into 7. Here we can write a plus b equals 7 and a minus b equals 7. We will add up these two equations. A plus a 2a, plus b minus b is 0. 7 plus 7 is 14. In the next step we will divide 2 on both sides so that we can get a. 2 here and 2 here. 2 to cancel. 2 1 to 7. So a equals 7. Now we again take these equations. A plus b equals 7. A minus b equals 7. We will subtract. This plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and this plus will become minus. So a minus a is 0. Plus b plus 2b equals 7 minus 7 is 0. Means 2b equals 0. Dividing 2 on both sides, we get b equals 0. So we get the second value of a, b for the second case. A equals 7, b equals 0. Now this is the value for our second case, and for first case a, b value is 25, 24. We will put the value of this in the given equation for verification. A plus b equals 49. If we put a equals 25, b equals 24, then 25 plus 24 equals 49, and 49 equals 49. It means the value of this pair 25 and 4 is correct. Now we will check the second case. We have equation a plus b 7. Here a equals 7 and b equals 0. For the second case, we will put these values. 7 plus 0 equals 7. That is 7 equals 7, and means our values are totally correct. So we find the value of a, b very smoothly and step by step. I hope you understand this video, and if you do so, then like my video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon.